How to fix try another device to continue Facebook problem. So if you want to fix try another device to continue Facebook problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with your search, and under search you need to search for Facebook Help Center. After searching for your Facebook Help Center, now you need to go with m.facebook.com or the Help Center section. Once you're on your Help Center, you need to scroll down and you will have Contact Us option. You need to tap on Contact Us, or you can also just simply go with Help Articles, and here you need to search for, or you can also just simply go with your search, and under search you can just simply scroll down and search for Facebook Contact Form, and here you need to go with Contact Form. Contact forms, you will have this kind of interface, or you can also mail them at support@fb.com and they will revert with your solutions. So you can go with your mail and here tap on compose, which is on the bottom right, and here you need to enter the address, which is support@fb.com, and then enter your subject, which is fix try another device to continue Facebook problem, and then under compose email you need to write your problem, what you're facing, and you can also add some attachments or screenshots and then send, and you will receive some solutions. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.